While you're watching this, someone with zero experience just uploaded their first Faceless video. By next month, they'll have their first payment, and by next year, they'll be making more than their job. The only difference between them and everyone else is they started. I broke down 23 Faceless channels that are crushing it, but today I'm going to show you exactly how they're monetizing so that you can copy their strategies. We're talking channels making $36,000 a month from cleaning carpets, filming garbage trucks, or even cooking noodles. These 6 monetization methods are the difference between a hobby and a business. And if you want to turn Faceless videos into real income, subscribe now because I'm revealing strategies most creators will never figure out. Let's start with the method that can make you money while you sleep. So method 1 is print on demand. There's zero inventory, no upfront costs, automatic fulfillment, it scales indefinitely, and it works for any niche. And here's what's insane. You can launch a full merchandise line without ever spending $1. Print on demand handles everything: printing, shipping, customer service. You design and then you collect the profits. Viewers already love your content. Now they can wear it. So you can create designs related to your content. You can upload it to Printful, Printify, Teespring, Merch by Amazon, or Redbubble. Add a shop link to every video description. Mention it casually in the videos, merch linked below, and let passive income roll in. Let's do a quick number check. 100,000 monthly views, 1% click equals 1,000 visitors, 3% buy, that's 30 sales. $20 profit per item is $600 per month. You can do limited edition drops, only available this week. It creates urgency without being pushy. ASMR channels can sell sleep masks or comfort items. Psychology channels can sell mental health awareness merch. Cleaning channels can sell branded cleaning supplies. Even a shoe shine channel can build merchandise empire. Method 2, membership subscriptions. And this is a reoccurring revenue machine. It's predictable monthly income and it builds a loyal community. You can have multiple platform options and it scales with your audience. What if 1% of your viewers paid you $5 every month forever? Think about that. Memberships turn casual viewers into paying supporters. No new content needed, only exclusive perks for those who join. So some platform options are YouTube memberships, which is built into YouTube. YouTube handles everything. You can do Patreon, there's more control, higher profit margins. You can buy me coffee, simple, reoccurring support with a link. You can do Discord, which is a community-based membership. And here's some math that'll blow your mind. 50,000 subscribers, 1% members at $4.99 a month each. That's $24.95 monthly reoccurring. That's $29,940 per year autopilot. You can do perks that will convert, like early access to videos, member-only content, custom emojis and badges, monthly live streams, and behind-the-scenes content. People don't pay for content, they pay to belong. Create an insider community, not just perks. And now method 3, digital products. It's an infinite inventory business. You create once, sell forever, and it has 95% profit margins. There's no shipping, no inventory, and it's instantly deliverable worldwide. What if every video you made could sell a product automatically? Digital products are the holy grail of Faceless channels. Your content proves expertise, products deliver the transformation. So what are some product examples? You can do templates and guides, you can do an online course, ebooks, workbooks, stock footage, auto packs, apps and software, AI prompts. You can say something like, if you want the template I just used, the link is below. And here's some ways that you can sell them. You could do free content that demonstrates value. The viewer wants to replicate the results. The product provides a shortcut, and you have instant download equals instant gratification. Create a product in one weekend. Price it at $47, sell 100 per month. It's $4,700 per month. Total ongoing work, 0. One video topic becomes 5 products. Tutorial about X, sell the template, the guide, the course, the checklist, and the consultation. Did you catch what just happened there? The first 3 methods all stacked. Someone watches your free video, they buy your merch, they join your membership, and then they purchase your digital product. 4 revenue streams from one viewer, but the next method, you don't even need to create anything. So method number 4, affiliate marketing. The commission, the multiplication, 0 product creation, established brands, they pay you, it works in every niche, and you can start today. What if every tool you mentioned paid you. Affiliate marketing is beautiful in its simplicity. You recommend a product you already used, you earn commission when the viewers buy. No customer service, no fulfillment, just commissions. So some of the affiliate programs that I like to use are Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, which is now AWin. You can do Partner Stack, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, Impact.com, TikTok Affiliate. Don't sell, solve a problem. And here are some things that creators do. They say, here's exactly what I would use, and they give you a tool list. Step 3 requires software, and they have a natural mention. Frequently asked questions about my setup, it's a dedicated video. Or updated recommendations, which is a monthly roundup. One video mentions 5 products. Each converts at 2%. 10,000 views equals 200 clicks per product, or sales per product times 5 equals 20 total sales. An average commission of $20 will give you $400 per month. And you can have a trust hook. I only recommend what I personally use, which will help build that trust with your audience. Method number 5, KDP book publishing. The authority building ATM. YouTube content becomes books. Amazon's massive reach, passive income forever, and it builds channel credibility. Your best videos are already book chapters in disguise. Every Faceless channel sits on a goldmine of book content. Your proven videos become proven books. Amazon handles printing, shipping, everything. So you want to create a video to book pipeline. Identify top 20 performing videos, group into book themes, expand transcripts into chapters, add exclusive bonus content, and upload it to KDP, set a price, and publish. One book selling 10 copies daily at $2.70 will give you $810 a month forever. And book types that sell: how-to guides from tutorial channels, collection books from list channels, activity books from educational channels, quote books from motivational channels, and journals from wellness channels. And you can say things like, based on my book, available on Amazon, which gives instant credibility and will boost your channel. So here's a scaling secret. Month 1, publish your first book. Month 2, publish your second book, references first. Month 6, a 6-book series. In year 2, 24 books, earning passively. Here's a quick reality check. We've covered 5 methods that require some effort, but this last one, it's so simple that most creators overlook it completely. Yet channels with just 10,000 followers are making hundreds per month with 0 extra work. Plus, I'll show you the stacking strategy that turns these 6 methods into a 6-figure business. So method number 6, donation and tips. It's the gratitude economy. 0 barriers to entry, no products needed, works with any audience size, plus it's pure profit. People want to support creators that they value. You should let them. This is the most underutilized monetization methods. Your viewers already appreciate your content. Give them a way to say thanks with their wallet. The platforms you can use are YouTube Super Thanks. You can use PayPal or Venmo tip jars. You can do Buy Me a Coffee. You can use Ko-Fi, or you can do Patreon one-time support. And here's your psychology hook. If this video saved you time and money, consider buying me a coffee. You can integrate without begging, so you can add donation links to your description, mention casually, not desperately, and you can thank supporters in your videos. You can also create supporter shout-out videos. Never guilt trip. And here's some numbers that nobody expects. 100,000 monthly views at 0.1% tip rate is 100 supporters. So if an average person left $5 tip, that's $500 a month for literally asking nicely. The more value you provide for free, the more people want to give back. It's human nature. 6 monetization methods, 0 face required, but here's the hook that changes everything. The most successful Faceless channels don't choose one method. They stack it all strategically. A viewer watches your video, tips you $5, buys your $47 guide, joins your $499 membership, and orders your merch. And they click your affiliate link. That's $80+ from one person. Multiply that by thousands. And let me show you exactly the stacking order. The monetization stacking formula, you start with affiliate links from day 1. It's 0 investment. You add a tip jar at 1,000 subscribers. You launch your first digital product at 5,000. You open a membership at 10,000, and you design merch at 25,000. And then you publish your book at 50,000. And here's the final hook. You don't need to wait. Channels are launching with all 6 methods from day 1. and it's working. Why? Because value is value regardless of subscriber count. I showed you 23 channels doing this successfully: cleaning carpets, cooking noodles, filming garbage trucks. If they can monetize that content, imagine what you can do with your ideas. So which monetization method will you implement first? Comment below. I really want to help you nail this monetization strategy. Also, you can download my free Faceless channel guide. It's on my website. Your profitable Faceless channel is one idea and one upload away from making it happen. Thanks for watching.